Today's Friday, December 2nd, 2022. This plane is called the Flying Mantis by David Mitchell. One of the planes for flying this plane. One of the tips for flying this plane is to hold by the legs, as it refers here. Might not see it, but I don't really know. But it says hold by the legs and launch at medium speed. I kind of like that it actually tells you where to hold it. So that's really helpful, I find. That looks like a crooked plane. And I should say it is a crooked plane. Why can't I get this to work? I guess I have to put it a little farther. Sometimes you find my videos like, this is almost over, and it's only because I also look at how I do this. I find that sometimes it's you might go like, this, why, you're almost done. It's only a minute. Well, I noticed the timing of my videos, and so when like one of the fast planes like this, I actually do look at the time. So this brings me to if I think 2 minutes is a little too short. So I usually extend it to like at least like 3 or 4 minutes. Like right now, I'm pretty sure you've watched like about 2.5 minutes into the video, and I feel like it's fine for a plane that's simple, like this one. Or I should not say simple, but it's not really like hard to fold. It doesn't have any cuts. I find that the plane like the Spato Fortress for December 1st. Well, I did forget to attach this, but you can see. I don't know why. Put it there. But you will notice that is about 10 minutes long. And it's because I found that the planes with like really hard, like especially these bomber planes, they take a really long time to fold. Well, when I mean really long, like relatively long. Like, I think 10 minutes is long. And if it's over 12, it's really long. But I managed to time in these videos. Here's Flying Mantis. Bye.